Our learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to first, identify, name, and describe 4 basic shapes and 2-dimensional figures. Second, compare and classify 2-dimensional figures according to common attributes. Last, draw the 4 basic shapes. I have here a song entitled Basic Shapes. All you need to do is to say, okay class? Okay, very good.
Draw a circle in the air. Draw a triangle in the air.
I see shapes. I see shapes, shapes, shapes. Everywhere I go, I see lots of shapes. Do you know what I am? Say my name if you can. I have 4 sides, they're all the same. If you know my name, you're good at this game. What am I? You're a square. Do you know what I am? Say my name if you can. I have 4 sides, like a square, but 2 sides are shorter, and I don't care. What am I? You're a rectangle.
Draw a square in the air.
Okay, let's move on. On your way to school, you must have seen road signs like this, right? What did you notice about the shapes of the road signs, Kyla? Okay, very good. Letter A. Look at the sign saying slow. How many sides does it have, Daryl? Okay, very good. It has 4 sides. What else did you notice about the sides? Yes, it has the same length. How about the signs which says yell, Pamela? How many sides are there in the figure? Yes, that is correct. For our letter C, the slow down school zone is another shape. What can you say about the sides of the figure, Franz? Very good. Letter D, the sign bicycle not allowed is another shape. What shape can you see, Clary? Very good. Compare it with the shape letter A, B, and C. Yes, very good. We have names for the shapes of the road signs we see along the road. We call the basic shapes. Suppose I am a basic shapes. Can you help me to describe myself, okay? I have 4 equal sides. I have 4 corners. Can you guess what they call me? Very good. My shape and design is unlike my friend's square. I have 3 sides. My sides may or may not be the same length. They call me, anybody knows? Yes, Jennifer. Okay, very good. This is my basic shape. Look at me. Somehow I look like my friend square because I also have four corners and four sides. But unlike the square, my sides are not equal. Each pair of opposite sides are equal length. I am called rectangle. This is my basic shape for the sign no bicycle allowed. I am also a shape. Unlike my three friends, I have no corners and I am round. Does anybody know me? Yes, Elsera. That's great. Look around in our classroom. Can you steal some objects with different shape, kids? Very good. For our individual activity, open your book on page 257. Look for squares, rectangles, triangles, and circles. Follow the color code. Color all the square shapes into red. Color all triangle shapes into green. Color all rectangle shapes into blue. And circle shapes into yellow. Is that clear, children? Very good. You may start now. How many squares did you color, Kyla? Very good. How many circles did you find, Carrie? Okay, very good. How about rectangles, Daryl? Correct. How many triangles did you find, Franz? Okay, very good. For our group activity, the shapes square, rectangle, triangle, and circle are flat shapes. Let us know them better. Let us do the following activity. You will need some art papers and pair of scissors. Be careful when you use the pair of scissors. You may ask help from me if you can do it. Okay, class? I will group you into 4. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another. 1, 2, 3, 4. For group 1, using a red art paper, draw a square on it. Copy the shape given at the start of the lesson. For the group 2, using a blue art paper, draw a rectangle on it. Copy the shape given at the start of the lesson. Okay, for the group 3, using a green art paper, draw a triangle on it. Copy the shape given at the start of the lesson. Okay, for the group 4, using a yellow art paper, draw a circle square on it. Copy the shape given at the start of the lesson. To all groups, cut out the shapes using a pair of scissors. Paste your work into space below. The shapes match the labels given. Describe the shapes again in your own words, okay? Who wants to volunteer to describe the shape by group? Okay, we have group 1. Okay, since all of you are participated, you will have a plus points in your performance task.